Hello, everyone. My name is Emma, and welcome to our brand new travel podcast. Today, we are going to learn some very useful vocabulary for your next trip. I arrive at the airport with my travel documents ready. Good morning. I would like to check in, please. Here is my valid passport and my booking confirmation. I am flying to London on the direct flight. I have only one large suitcase to check in. This small black backpack is my final carry-on bag. Does my heavy suitcase exceed the maximum weight limit? Please place your luggage on the moving conveyor belt. I need to pay an extra fee for this. I prefer an aisle seat because I walk often. Is it possible to get a window seat instead? Here is your official boarding pass for the flight. Your flight departs from gate number 12 at noon. Boarding begins 45 minutes before the scheduled departure time. Where is the nearest security check area located? Please go straight ahead and turn left at the corner. Do I need to take out my electronic devices? Please place all keys and liquids into this bin. Walk slowly through the metal detector right over there. Have a very safe and pleasant flight to London. Thank you so much for your kind assistance today. Excuse me, where can I find the duty-free shop? The shops are just past the passport control counters. I need to buy a small bottle of water. Is my flight to London arriving on time today? Yes, the airplane is delayed by only 10 minutes. I will sit near the gate and read book. They are calling my flight number for boarding now. I must show my boarding pass to the flight attendant. Let us find our comfortable seats on the airplane. Put your bags in the overhead locker above you. Hello, could you please help me find my seat? Your seat is located in row 25 near window. Can I change my seat with another passenger, please? Please fasten your seatbelt and turn off your phones. The captain says the weather is perfectly clear today. Would you like something refreshing to drink during flight? I want a cup of hot black coffee, please. Do you have any vegetarian meals available on board? Here is a small pillow and a warm blanket. We will land at the airport in 30 minutes. Please stay in your seats until the plane stops. Welcome to London. The local time is 2 o'clock. I need to follow the yellow signs for arrivals. Where is the baggage claim area for our flight? Go down the big escalator to the ground floor. Luggage from our flight is coming on carousel 4. Look, I see my large blue suitcase over there. Wait, this dirty suitcase is not my personal bag. My suitcase has a bright green ribbon on top. Oh, I found it. Thank goodness it is here. Excuse me, my suitcase did not arrive at all. Please go directly to the Lost Luggage Service desk. Fill out this form with your permanent home address. We will contact you when we find your bag. Is there a restroom near the baggage claim area? The restrooms are right next to the exit doors. I am finally ready to leave the airport terminal. Let us go out to the arrivals hall together. Welcome to this beautiful new city. Enjoy your stay. Excuse me, where is the official taxi rank located? The taxi rank is just outside the main terminal. Is there a cheaper train station near this airport? You can take the underground train to the center. Where can I buy a ticket for the train? Use the automated ticket machines near the station entrance. Does this specific train go straight to the center? No, you must change trains at the next station. How much does a single one-way ticket cost, please? A single ticket costs exactly £5.60. Can I pay with my credit card here, please? Yes, the machine accepts all major credit cards easily. Which platform does the next train leave from, please? The train to the city center departs from platform 2. Is it a long journey to the city center? It takes about 40 minutes to arrive at center. Excuse me, is this seat free or taken today? No, nobody is sitting here. You can sit down. Which station do I need to get off at? Get off at the station called Piccadilly Circus Station. How do I get to the Grand Central Square? Walk down this street and turn left after church. Is the famous museum within walking distance from here? Yes, it is only a short 10-minute walk away. Can you please show me the way on map? I am lost. Can you help me find street? It is on the other side of the river. You can catch bus number 12 to get there. The bus stop is right across the busy street. Thank you for your directions. Have a nice day. Hello, I have a room reservation under my name. Could you please spell your last name for me? My last name is spelled Smith, like Smith. Yes, I found your booking for 3 wonderful nights. Could I please see your passport for registration form? Here is my passport and my company credit card. Is breakfast included in the price of my room? Yes, a delicious buffet breakfast is served every morning. What time is breakfast available in the dining room? Breakfast is open from 7 until 10 o'clock daily. Your quiet room is number 412. Here is your electronic key card for the room. The elevators are located just behind the reception desk. What floor is my comfortable double room on, please? Your room is located on the 4th floor upstairs. Is there free wireless internet connection in the hotel? Yes, the network password is written on this paper. What time is the official checkout time on Sunday? You must check out before 11 in the morning. Can the hotel staff help me with my bags? Yes, the porter will take your bags to room. The air conditioning in my room is not working. I will send a technician to check it immediately. Could I please have 2 extra clean towels, please? I will bring them to your room right away. Is there a safe box inside the hotel room? Yes, the safe box is inside the clothes wardrobe. Can I leave my heavy luggage here until evening? We can store your bags in our luggage room. Thank you very much. Your service is wonderful today. Hello, a table for 2 people, please, near window. Follow me, please. Here is your table and menu. Can we see the drink menu as well, please? Are you ready to order your meals today, miss? What do you recommend for our lunch afternoon today? The fresh fish and chips is our traditional dish. I would like to order the grilled chicken salad. Could I have the salad without any fresh onions? What would you like to drink with your food? Just a glass of cold tap water with ice. I prefer a bottle of sparkling mineral water, please. Would you like any appetizers before your main meal? No, thank you, just the main courses are fine. Is this spicy soup very hot or mild flavor? It is quite mild, not very spicy at all. Enjoy your delicious food. Tell me if you need anything. Excuse me, I did not order this tomato soup. I am very sorry. I will change it immediately. Could we please have some extra white bread, please? Yes, of course. I will bring it right away. How is everything with your meal today? Everything good. The food is absolutely delicious. Thank you so much. Would you like to see our sweet dessert menu? No, thank you. We are completely full after dinner. Could we please have the bill when you have time? Are you paying together or separately for the meal? We would prefer to pay separately for our food. Do you accept payments by credit card or cash? We accept both cash and all credit cards here. Keep the change. The service was truly excellent tonight. Good afternoon. I am just looking around the shop. Please let me know if you need any help. Excuse me, how much does this beautiful souvenir cost? That traditional item costs £15.50 today. Do you have this warm sweater in a larger size? Let me check the stockroom for your size. I only have this item in bright red color. Can I try this blue dress on in shop? The fitting rooms are located at back of shop. This beautiful dress fits me perfectly. I love it. I will take this item and that small postcard. Where is the cashier desk to pay for items? The cashier desk is right next to the entrance. Can I get a tax-free shopping receipt for this? Yes. Please show me your international passport for that. Please put my items into a paper bag, please. Where can I buy tickets for the city tour? You can buy tickets online or at tourist office. What time does the historical museum open on weekdays? It opens at 9 in the morning every single day. Is photography allowed inside the beautiful ancient church building? No, you cannot take photos inside the church building. Where is the best place to take a photo? The bridge offers a fantastic view of the city. I want to buy some traditional gifts for family. The local street market is perfect for unique gifts. How far is the market from this central park? It is just 5 blocks away from this location. Thank you for all your wonderful advice and help. Have a fantastic time exploring our beautiful historic city.
Leave a comment under this video and one of you will get 40 English lessons for free.